How to clear data in Telegram. So if you want to clear all of your data in your Telegram, then what you need to do is first open up your Telegram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure to log into your account. Once you're here on the Telegram, go for the upper left, which has that 3-dot icon. Go for settings, and under your settings, you need to scroll down and go for data and storage. And under data and storage, you can simply go for the storage usage. And here you need to go for clear cache and tap on clear cache again and clear your cache. So once you've cleared your cache, now you can again go for your storage usage, and then here you will have your private chats, your group chats, channels, stories, and everything. So you need to simply go for your private chats or any chats, and then you can choose 1 day, 1 week, or anything, and then you can delete. So that's how you can clear your storage on your Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.